So this is the ROG Phone 6 Pro. Asus has unveiled it recently for gamers in its Republic of Gamers lineup. This phone is fast, boasts a retooled cooling system, and most importantly, features high-end specs to provide a smoother gaming experience. However, this is not the only company that provides outstanding gaming phones. The Nubia Red Magic 7 Pro is another marvelous smartphone which you can have for gaming. In our video today, we're going to compare the ROG Phone 6 Pro with Nubia Red Magic 7 Pro to see which one performs better and which one you should go for. So without further ado, let's jump in. Starting with the design, as you know that every gaming phone has some unique design to make them look different from other smartphones. You can even tell that this phone is made for gaming just by looking at its design. And ROG Phone 6 Pro is no exception. It's by far the most stylish of all the gaming phones, especially in the white color scheme. Also, the ROG Phone 6 Pro shares an aesthetic design that's pretty similar to last year's ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. On the other hand, outside of dimensions, the Nubia Red Magic 7 is pretty disappointing. Though it has RGB lamps at the back, which only please you if you want a touch of a gaming finesse, it also has a heat dissipation plate to prevent overheating while gaming. Otherwise, the whole body comes with a sturdy metal design. In terms of display, the ROG Phone 6 Pro has a 6.78-inch AMOLED display panel that is made by Samsung. The display delivers vibrant colors, great viewing angles, and excellent contrast levels. And you know what? It supports up to a 165Hz refresh rate, meaning you'll experience smoother gaming than ever. At the back, the ROG Phone 6 Pro has another 2-inch OLED display which can be used to see incoming calls, charging status, and many more. This time, Asus added over 60 animations to customize your phone's back. And the exciting part is, you can create your very own effects, pretty cool. Whereas, the Nubia Red Magic 7 Pro comes with a 6.8-inch AMOLED display delivering crisp and colorful images. Also, it has a 120Hz refresh rate to ensure smooth scrolling and gaming. Let's talk about the performance. Don't be surprised if we say the ROG Phone 6 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and the core performance goes up to an insane 3.2 GHz. By having 8 Plus Gen 1, the ROG Phone 6 Pro is more power efficient than ever. On the other hand, the Nubia Red Magic 7 Pro is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is also amazing while delivering performance. Furthermore, the ROG Phone 6 Pro includes 18GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, whereas the Nubia Red Magic 7 Pro also has up to 18GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. So, do you really need 18GB of RAM for mobile gaming? The answer is no, and we will say this is definitely overkill. Coming to the camera system, it's not usual to expect a good quality camera from gaming phones because they're mainly focused on performance and gaming features. Yet, the ROG Phone 6 Pro boasts a 50MP wide, a 13MP ultra wide, and a 5MP macro camera, allowing you to capture decent enough images. On the other hand, the Nubia Red Magic 7 Pro features a 64MP wide, an 8MP ultra wide, and a 2MP macro camera. Compared side by side, the camera quality of the Red Magic 7 Pro isn't as good as the ROG Phone 6 Pro. But to run these powerful devices, you need larger battery capacities. The ROG Phone 6 Pro comes with a 6000 mAh battery with 65 watts fast charging, whereas the Nubia Red Magic 7 Pro is equipped with 5000 mAh battery as well as 65 watts charging. As you can see, the ROG Phone 6 Pro will give you more battery life to keep your gaming session going on for longer hours. About the price, the ROG Phone 6 Pro might come with around $1,350 for a gaming phone that's huge. Whereas you can get the Red Magic 7 Pro for only $800, and that too almost with similar performance. So spending such a big amount of cash just for a gaming phone doesn't seem to be worthy enough. But considering all the features, you can certainly use the Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro as your regular smartphone, as it offers excellent camera quality, great battery life, and performance to match no other. But what do you think? Would you prefer spending a whole lot of cash for the Asus ROG 6 Pro or go for the Nubia Red Magic instead? Do let us know in the comment section below, like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.